Hi again, this is the last section from the settings tab. It's built based on one of our clients' feedback, and we took that in consideration, and we decided that it's a good feature, and we have implemented for the entire tracker. So basically, this is called training because the purpose of our client it was about a training reminder. So what is this doing? Uh, we have here a training section with the abbreviation training, and below it some dates with date and time. Okay, basically the need of this was to highlight into the calendar, no matter what month it was, what day or time. Uh, uh, we wanted to highlight an event, some kind of reminder for some specific days. So the idea is, let's presume you have set up some trainings through the entire year for some specific days and some specific months, and you want to be able to view all these when you go into the calendar for any specific month. Okay, so let's presume we have December, and as we notice here, we have third abbreviation and time 50 30. So here 12:30, here 40:24, here 60:26. Okay, that would be the purpose. So we have training with the abbreviation, we have time records here. We can set up any time, any date for the entire year. This is a long list also. It will give you plenty of space to record as many uh, sort of reminders you'd like to record and the time for it. And once you have set up that, you'll go into the employee per month tab. You will see that for the current month you have four sort of reminders, that on 1st December, 17th December, 25 and 21 you have a training scheduled for the corresponding time, like it's recorded here. So basically, if you don't want to use it for training, like I don't know, for meeting, for the important meetings, just change the name, change the abbreviation for the meeting, change the dates, and when we will go back into December, we will see that I have a meeting at 15:30. It's not like a to-do planner. uh, I know this is small, but the entire purpose of this tracker is to track the time of leave and requests, not to track the meetings. It's not like a planner. This is just an extra option in case you'll find it useful. You may be wanting to use it, but it's not a to-do planner, a reminder. This is just a small piece of extra feature. In case you find it useful, use it. If not, that's not a mandatory section. Okay, uh, that would be all for this section. Use it wisely. If you find any purpose for it, use it. We have one, as I recall, I have it one for November. Yes, let's switch it to November to prove the purpose of this. And for November, I have one set up, one kind of reminder set up for Sunday 12. That will be all. Please don't judge about this. The small feature is not a to-do planner. It's just a small extra feature added in case you will find it useful. One of our clients wanted it was useful for it, and we have implemented to the entire time of tracker, uh, because it might be useful for some of you or not. It will do not any harm if you have it there. Thank you. Any questions or feedback, please do let me know, or issue, if you encounter any issues, do let me know, and we will provide a video with every explanation necessary or any fixing necessary. Thank you. Have a good day.